Right, good morning everybody. We're back again for the last round of the UK Angling Champs, and this time he's at Barston Lakes. I picked him up.
As the man were there, weren't they? 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were shopping today, didn't you?
Yeah, 6 o'clock in the morning.
Tired, aren't we?
But we booked a breakfast at 8 o'clock, haven't we, at the old Beef Eaters. We're meeting Tidsy, Jeff and Alan and all that lot there, so it should be alright. But
just Jeff.
Just Jeff, he's already rang us, hasn't he?
Yeah. But that should be alright, shouldn't it?
In the league standing, we're all about
all in a row, aren't we?
Yeah, there's me, you and Alan, I think, all in a row.
What, we're 29, 30 and 31 or something?
Yeah, 29, yeah, that's right. So, you've never fished Barston before, have you?
No, never seen it.
Well, it's down here,
by
right,
this.
Thanks for we're going up there to...
but no, it's big carp water in it. It's not my thing, but we'll give it a go.
No, because you're normally fanning around with the shallow boys.
Shallow boys on tour. But we'll see. Because, yeah, the carp waters on the UK Champs have been my downfall, haven't they?
Shallow boys on tour.
Well, yeah, Makins. You got hammered there, didn't you?
Oh, hang on, number 1. Oh dear. And then, yeah, say no more about Allcroft.
Oh, Allcroft's just terrible, innit? It's hard work, is Allcroft.
But I'd not fished it for like 20 years when we fished Allcroft. And then, punishment, I went back week after, didn't I? For you did too,
yeah,
didn't you?
no, I didn't.
Oh no, I didn't.
I weren't that silly.
Golden Reel or Maver or something.
Golden Reel you went on, I don't know why you did that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then Rookery, light Rookery, that were good, that were right up my street.
I told you you'd like Rookery.
Lovely place as well.
Yeah, it's a nice place, isn't it?
And then obviously we got Barston.
So, you
But
don't
it's
know
not
where
the
you
end,
want
though,
to
is it?
draw, is it?
Not the end,
What
we'll be
do you
back
mean,
soon.
not the end?
Winter League's coming up soon, isn't it? That starts in a few weeks.
Oh dear. Another one where a fanny
Pick me up.
do this.
Yeah, you'll love it really.
No thanks.
I'll buy you breakfast today, don't worry.
Oh, no. Right, well, yeah, looking forward to it. Hopefully I'll draw an absolute screamer.
Have you got any words of wisdom for today then?
No, I'm just going to ask you the words of wisdom, because you seem to be the words of wisdom man, where you give it the large one. And
I ain't got a clue, have I? I've not done Barston before.
Yeah.
Popped up bread.
Can't even fish bread. Anyway, we're here. Right, we're here at the breakfast place, so we'll get some scran.
And we'll see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Alright.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? 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 In that 2,000 with the winner of today, all those who nothing with that. They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games. I just do it as fact, and I don't feel no shame. It's a
Carp in one net, silver's in another. Sensible net rules, as Nigel says. If you're catching a lot of fish, just put another carp net in. You know.
What's left? Any good ones?
No, you're looking for 1, 2, 4.
52. 52.
Oh, Dave! Nice, nice to see you.
Yeah, that's alright. You got.
section.
Right, well, we've just drawn, and I'm just driving down the bank of Barston, aren't we?
Yeah.
And you went in early,
I
Richard.
did, yeah. I thought I'd get in there with superstars.
Yeah, and
I've drawn not so bad, have I?
you've drawn 59, I think, at end.
59.
And the wind's blowing up. Apparently the wind's been blowing up here for ages. And I'm on 53.
Yeah, in the same section.
But we'll have to park here and walk down, you know.
Oh, that's alright.
No, in, because we're going to have to do two barrows.
Yeah, we won't take us long, will it?
So we'll have to do that.
You're going to turn around first?
Yes. So we'll see how we get on. I'm on 53, which is on just off the point, I think. So we might be all right. Yes, Dad. You pull down there then and pull in. Oh, Cookie gave me great.
Aye.
Like the father I never had.
He's alright, he's Cookie, good lad, isn't he? So yeah, so
let's get his stuff out, see where we are. Good luck today.
and hopefully have a good day.
Same section.
Same section,
Got to
yeah.
have a pound on it.
Tidsy, haven't we?
And Tids, so we're having a pound on it. Right,
Yeah.
let's get stuff out before
All right.
he comes.
See you later.
Right, here we are. Barston Lakes, peg 52. Not been up here for a long time, but the wind is blowing down here. Apparently it's been blowing down here for weeks, someone said. Could be okay. Look who's next to me, Tidser. He says we're having a pound on it. Our Richard's drawn down there. Dale Shepherd down here. Could be okay. Don't know. Anyway, rods. All essential method feeders. I've got a distance one, waggler, a method feeder, a distance one. All cracking rods. Perfect. And then I've got my baiting up one, which is an essential method feeder feel and bait one. That's the baiting up one. That's Pegger. So I've got my rod set up, pellet wagger rod. I've got my bomb and my bags sorted out. These are my bags. So should be okay with them. Got some pellets, got some micros, got all my stuff ready to go really. I've got a bit of a spod mix if I need to spot it in as well. Got my big landing net on. Look, big landing net, big fish. That's what we're going for today. So we'll have a walk around here. Good old Tidsy next door. Look, we'll have a walk around. We'll have a look what Tidsy's doing. He's I'll just give him some new products what we're trying out from Baytech, so he says he'll give him a go. Look, chili hemp, micros, what else he got? He's just hiding something in his drawer, look, hiding something else. Oh, this is nice, Tids, isn't it?
It is nice, actually.
Yeah, I like that, don't you?
You've got one.
Yeah, I've got one, yeah, thanks. Got two of them. And I've got the other one and all, you know, the one for the winter where you put your maggots in and stuff. It's like an EVA thing, that's nice.
Is that like a mesh top? Then?
Yeah, it's really nice, that one. But yes, ready to go. Look at this. So we'll see what happens. We've got a pound on it, haven't we?
Pound, yeah.
Right, good luck.
Good luck, pal.
And left-hander.
Left-hander. Right, is that a dodgy shake?
Yeah. Right, we'll see how we get on. Good luck. Right, here we are. We're all ready to go. Everything's set up. Start on the old bomb, I think. Just a nice steady cast. Looks like it's going to absolutely hammer it down with rain. I hope it doesn't. Alan's drawn this corner, we think Alan's in, somewhere up there. I think it's second to last peg or somewhere like that. I've got Speedy across and what else have we got? Prices over there. I don't know where anyone else has drawn. I think Mara's drawn alright, peg 15. But we reckon this end's going to be better. Our Richard's up here, and I've told him, give him a few tips of what to do and stuff. But he's never fished it before. He's only fishing rods, so he's a bit, don't know what he's doing, but I'm sure he'll be all right. I just said keep casting. So we'll see how he gets on. Hopefully we do all right here and catch a few fish. The wind's right for it anyway. And like I said, I've got all the kids next door, and he fancies it as well. So got his work cut out for us. Got Dale Shepherd in this section, our Richard, me, Tidser, and I think it runs up to 10 pegs, so it'll probably go up to Jimmy Brooks or somewhere up there, Tom Calladine. So yeah, all ready for the off. Hopefully we'll catch a few and it'll be a nice day, but you never know. You never know what could happen at Barston. It could be a really good day, it could be a terrible day, but fingers crossed we'll have a nice day, and wish me luck. So just about to set off. Wow, first chuck. I took the rod off the rest. Good fish. Just to get it away from, we're a bit tight here, so try and get it away from people. Decent fish, I think. £10, I think. Decent fish. Keep putting another bag on. Oh. Get that. Right, well, not a bad start, but a decent carp and lost a carp. These are right pain, these things. And then I've had 2 skimmers, and then I've just seen Tidsy doesn't know yet, but he's I've just seen him have a big 15 pounder, and he doesn't think I know. But I've seen him have it. So he's doing alright. He's got 3 carp, I think, Tidsy. Wet my teeth on these. So going alright at the minute. I've lost a carp as well, which just come off, which I'm a bit disappointed with. But just got to keep going, keep catching a few, and hopefully keep pinging them pellets in. And we'll have a few. I've not heard anyone else. Our Richard's had 1 small carp and a skimmer, I think. So there's a few fish down here, which I thought there would be, but it always starts off alright and then gets worse. It's Barston, so we'll see how we get going. See if we can catch a few more. Wish me luck. Well, that were a strange bite. I picked it up and then a bit of a back bite. I think it's either one of them really small carp or a big green. It feels like a green there. What it is. Anyway, Nosher is on the MPEG over there in 79. Not normally where you want to be, but he's said he's had 4 carp already, which sometimes it goes well, doesn't it, for him? I think this is a carp. It looks like a monstrous breed. One of them koi carp, call them, no, wallowing in. Yeah, small thing. F1. Is that ridden up there? Shouldn't be riding up. So, no, we're doing alright, Tidsy's just had, I told you, Anna, Tidsy's had a monstrous carp and he's trying to keep it hidden from me. Just hold it back. Yeah, so Alan is doing really well. Not talked to Jeff yet. Our Richard's still on 1 carp and a few skimmers. So, keep going. Just hope my line's gone on the move, so keep going. Right, just had 3 skimmers on the trot, and then I think there's a small carp. Whatever one, maybe. The wind's getting stronger and it's going to absolutely bounce it down in a minute. I think you can already hear it. Might be a small carp, something. I can't see a thing. No, it's big green. Big green of that. Start that. £3, £4. Just want them carp to turn up. We'll be catching loads of bream. Do I? Suss this out better now. Quicker. Pull it back a little bit. So yeah, I went catching bream, which I didn't want to do, but yeah, catch all, can't we, these days? So I think Alan's doing the best. He's got four carp and 4 skimmers, so he's doing the best. And I would have thought it'll only get better for him in that corner. But once we've chucked one out, I'll redo this. So I'm gonna redo me up length, and I'll catch you in a bit. Right, it's gone dead. Just switched over to a method. Can't get a skimmer bite now, but it looks like the sun's going in. And look at this, what's on its way. It looks dark as old boots, doesn't it? Really, really dark. So I don't like the look of that. So we're going to bury down the hatches. It's going to start in about 5 or 10 minutes, I think. We reckon the lad on the MPEG 61, I think the N1 is, he's got about £45. Alan's still doing quite well over there, but everyone else is struggling now. It's gone a bit dead for everybody. So just hopefully start picking up the odd fish until later on and it goes a bit better, but who knows. The camera's going away for a bit anyway, so if I catch one you'll probably not see it. So that is it. That's the update. Our Richard's just had another little small carp, he says, but let's batten down the hatch before this rain comes, and I'll see you after it, hopefully. Well, we survived the downpour. Bit of thunder and all, didn't like that. But old Bert Dale Shepherd has just got the old caramel slices out. Just Tidsy said, "Oh, get one out." Oh, love one. Good day. Fishing wise, it's not getting better for me. Tidsy hasn't had a bite for half an hour. I've had 2 skimmers. Who's ringing me? Someone's ringing me now. Jackson, what's he ringing me for? Right. Well, come on that short line. All I can catch is skimmers. Just got one on now. But not the carp we wanted. No, it's not bad skimming. Could have done me a cat. Last sort of half an hour now to go. I think Alan's doing probably the best round over there. Lad on MPEG, peg 61 I think he's in. 40, 50, 60 pound. I'm not fishing for all, am I really now? Got to try and beat Tidsy now, Richard. Get a pound back off them. Still time yet, Tidsy will snare it. Just hope I can snare a couple myself, but yeah, I think George is doing well down there, George Robinson. Dave Bailey, Jargo over there, and then Alan in this bit and Kinder. That's it, that's your lot. I don't think we're anywhere near. Need a few carp, but all can happen in this last half hour. So just keep catching a few, and it'd be nice. So we'll see you at the weigh-in. That's a carp on that short line. Wait for that all day. It's a good one and all.
To the wire. If I were to set here 7 points has won it, and in 10th place it's 10 points. So that's how close it's been. So, you know, I must say, what a great series, and that's why it is the UK Angling Champs. There's winners, there's losers, there's near misses, and yeah, that's what it is. So I just like to thank you guys for making it what it is. Without you lot, we won't have a good series, and that's why myself, Bob, Terry, Garrett, that's why we do it, because you know it's been going over 40 years, and it's just a fabulous event, and it's one I look forward to fishing every year. I never win much, like, but I enjoy fishing it. So it is good. So there we go. I'd just like to thank Bob. Again, you know, what he does behind the scenes, what you guys don't see, the paperwork and everything, it's like fantastic, and he's a great obviously, Teddy, big chocolate for everybody, Gary, you know, it's a team effort. But anyway, without any further ado, we'll start with today's results. Sections first. Section A from Peg 10, £109.8, Chris Vanderfleet. There he goes. Well done, mate. Well done, Paul. Second in that section with 81.12, Peg 15, Vic Molyneux. Well done, mate. Section B from Peg 27 with 69.12, Lee Blackden. Well done, Lee. Well done. Second in that section with £48.1, Tom Newton. Hero, Tom, hero. C-section from Peg 45 72 12 Tom Calladine. Tom. Thank you. Second in C-section £59.8 Jimmy Brooks. Well done, Jim. Well done, Paul. Very nice. D-section first with £71 exactly, Peg 58, Adam Playford. Well done, Ad. Well done, Paul. And second in D-section from Peg 55, £54.8 Dale Shepherd. Here's right. E-section first from Peg 86, £99 exactly, that would be. Said he wants it for laughing fun, he's not having it. No. And second in that section with 80 from Peg 80 with £60 exactly, Matt Pilley.
Well done, Matty.
F section from Peg 92, 35.10 Nick Speed. Come on, Speedy.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, mate. Second in F section from Peg 98 with £33.6 Ryan Lidgard. G section first with £96.4 from Peg 106 Dave Burley.
Come on, Patty.
I'm going to send it, I'm going to give him some of my clothes someday. He's going to be getting clothes off me. Second in that section from Peg 109, £81.3 Powell. Can't pronounce it. Well done, Paul. Well done, mate. Well done, yeah, you will, mate. And your last but not least, 8th section from Peg 124, £118.8 Tyrone Hull. Well done, Tyrone. Well done, man. Well done, buddy.
Well done, mate.
And second in that section with 92.9 from Peg 120, Dale Haywood.
Well done, Dale.
Well done.
Hero. Well done, Dale.
Well done, Dale.
Right, which leads us to our top 3 on the day. So, in third place, collecting £250 with a weight of £162.4 from Peg 21, George Robinson. Well done, George.
Well done, George.
Well done, mate. Well done, mate.
Well done, mate.
Second place. Second place from Peg 61 with £173.10, collecting £500, Chris Young. Well done, Chris. Yeah, really well, Peg. Your dad drew well for you there, didn't he? And your winner of the day, splendid performance, I might say, with a weight of 214.12. We're in a proper masterclass here from Peg 13, collecting £1,000. Adam Wakeling. Well done, Ad.
Wow.
Top performance, mate.
Thank you.
Just turn it round that way. There you go. Easy. Adam Wakeling, you winner on the day. Well done.
Well done, mate. Next time.
Right, top 10. I'll let you have it. Bob, if you want a copy of Bob, you can have a look where everybody's finished. So, This is what it all boils down to. Top 10 get paid out. Right. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people on 10 points. And it went down to weight. So in 10th place, with 140 kilos, collecting 100 quid, was me. They will laugh at fun, Jake. So,
You're not having any.
right, in 9th place, again, on 10 points, but with a weight of 172 kilos, 478, collecting £150, Lee Halliwell. Only 150 quid, well done, son. In 8th place, with a slightly better weight of 181 kilos, 352, Ryan Lidgard. Collecting 200 quid. Wait while I read next week. In 7th position, also on 10 points, with a weight of 182 kilos. So there's like less than a kilo in it, right? Also with 10 points, and I must say, what a performance this lad's put in. 18-year-old to come as high as he's in his first UK champs. I think it's brilliant. That's Rome Frizzell. So we move up to 6th place. Again, 10 points, but with a weight of 190 kilos. So 8 kilos separated it after 4 rounds. Collecting 350 quid, Dale Shepherd. You can't catch it, Katie, it's his name on it anyway, mate. So now we go to 5th place, and there was one angler on 9 points. So in 5th place, collecting 500 quid, Mark Price. Oh, that went good. What I will tell you, he fell down at Brooker and broke his ribs. Don't touch me, what are you doing? Well,
Can't squeeze anymore, man.
so we go to 4th place, and there is 2 anglers on 8 points. But in 4th place, with a weight of 166 kilos, 355, collecting 700 quid, Jason Dunworth.
Well done, Tiago.
No, I've been nothing.
Which brings us to our top 3. And yeah, it was always going to be a real dogfight here at Barston. But in 3rd place, he was last year's winner, but he is in 3rd this year. On 8 points with a weight of 184 kilos, collecting 1,000 quid, Steve Ringer. Well done, Steve. Well done. 1,000 quid. So, we're into 2nd. 2 anglers tied on 7 points for 1st and 2nd. So it went down to weight. But the weight were irrelevant in it all. So in 2nd place on 7 points, 187 kilos, collecting 2,000 quid, Dave Burley. Dave. Well done, pal. 2 grand.
Well, no.
Well, as they say, there can be only one, which walks away with this lovely jug, which, when you look at the names on it, it's fabulous. But he's already got his name on this trophy, so he goes on it for the second time. With 7 points, 293 kilos. He just, well, the kid's a magician in my eyes. He just catches loads of fish wherever he goes. What a fantastic angler. So, 2025 new UK angling champion, Stephen Forster. There you go, guys. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Everybody wants fish this year. We'll get first option to fish next year.
Well done, Andy. Right, we're in the van. We've just finished the match, and as you'll have seen the presentation and everything that's already occurred, I ended up winning £1 off Richard James Wood.
That's come fresh out of my wallet, that, hasn't it?
And Craig Ebenezer.
He's not even giving you a quid though, has he? He's gone home.
Tidswell.
Yeah, and Tiddy owes me a quid, doesn't he?
Yeah, no, I don't owe you a quid, does it?
I thought we were having a quid on.
No, I take up the
Oh, right,
money.
with a take all.
Yeah, you don't get a quid for coming second, mate. What's all that about? Eh?
No, normally it's having you a quid on it.
I don't know. Anyway, it's not been the greatest for us, but it's been the greatest for some of us, hasn't it?
Yeah,
Stephen Foster and Steve Ringer, the normal people.
And Jargo's done alright, hasn't he?
Yeah, Jargo, he normally does alright, Jargo. He's got it sussed a bit. Kinder did alright, and the odd fruit. Anyway, in the total standings, Alan ended up beating us. We're all in a row. I think Alan's beat us by 1 point.
So this morning, what were we? 29, 30 and 31?
No, we were further back than that, 35 I think.
Alright.
So I think Alan's ended up coming 26, I've ended up coming 30, and you've ended up coming 33rd. Jeff ended up coming 54 for something. Not very good from Jeff. And then Tidsy, I don't know where Tidsy come, but he's gone off, hasn't he?
Yeah.
So it's been alright, to be fair. I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed today as well, chucking out, fishing on that bag and catching a few. Couple of lost fish from me.
You said you lost 2 carp, didn't you?
And I think
that's cost you.
That's cost me probably getting a second and beating Dale, because Dale,
yeah, and he was 50
odd pound, he was ended up coming second.
He was
in
tight section, I think, weren't he, for the rest of us?
Yeah.
Apart from that lad who were to my right on that MPEG.
Yeah, well,
he's fished under a tree, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's caught loads.
Yeah,
but
I couldn't get anything. And when he said to me he only had 3 on rod, and all the rest he's had under that tree.
Well, it's a good area though.
Yeah.
I knew that MPEG would be great, but it is what it is, isn't it?
But yeah, I've sort of had a few bites. It's close, me and you've done me by £4 today, haven't you?
Yeah.
So and we've had a good laugh, haven't we? Right down and
it's been alright, hasn't it?
Yeah.
7
and for
o'clock.
my first UK champs, I've done alright.
Are you going to do it next year?
I don't know. Are we going to do it?
Well, I think I will be.
Okay.
You know, you need to get a van bought and pick me up instead for a change.
Alright.
But yeah, I think we'll do it again next year. Andy says we're first names on the old list anyway, so be alright.
Yeah, it's just something. You've got to do a different setup and mindset for these carp, haven't you? See, I'm not really used to them, am I? I'm like,
you're just
bosh.
bong head bloody pole, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's it. One track mind, shallow.
Yeah, it's a different ball game, this carp malarkey, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you can go from 0 to 0 in like last hour, can't you?
Yeah, of course you can.
If you get it right and the feeding.
But I've enjoyed it, you've enjoyed it, and you've finally spread your wings.
Yeah.
And done something different this year.
Yeah, not too shabby.
And he's qualified for the Guru Masters Cup at Kiverton and Aston Park, so well done.
Yeah, so that's in a couple
finally,
of weeks.
yeah. By end of next year, you'll be single with 2 kids, living on your own. You'll have had it.
Won't.
he's coming out with the big boys now. It's about time. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this series.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
And all the stick you've given me.
And I tell you what's next, don't we? That bloody
Winter
bomb and feeder league at Lindome. So get ready for that.
Yeah, we're gonna have a saying that though, that rain today, it was just like, it was proper cold, innit? Or like
that
reminded me on beaches, sat there freezing cold like that.
They reminded me of beaches and all.
Sat there waiting for the tip to go around. It was freezing cold.
Anyway, that's it. We'll see you on the next one.
Keep on bagging.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way.
Right guys, thanks very much for watching the video. If you want to see more, just hit this icon down here. There's also a link for some extra videos down there as well. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit the join button and you can become a Baguptv member. Thanks very much for watching the video guys. We will see you on the next one. Keep on bagging.